Paw. Thanks, Jasper. Here is another update on the kitten that's been living under my porch. So I took it to the vet and turns out she's a little girl. So we got a little girl on our hands. I got her examined. She did super well. The vet suggested that I give her a bath before we give her flea medication. So I did that and she hated it. Surprise, surprise. She clawed me up. She really didn't like it, but now she's clean and that's all that matters. So washed her pretty well. I dried her off. And then I brushed her a little bit. So she really liked the brushing. And she's not super mad at me because she still purrs. And she was actually purring while she was in the tub. So I don't know how that makes any sense. So here's me brushing her. And on second look, that paw does look pretty bad. But I didn't end up getting her an x-ray because I'm dumb. So I made another appointment for tomorrow and we'll get that checked out. But for right now, she looks like she's doing just fine.
On to you, that's actually their way of telling you that they love you.
I have very important questions to ask each of you. Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat?
Whenever your dog looks deeply into your eyes right before they poop, it means that they feel vulnerable and they trust you to keep an eye out for them. Dogs will actually sneeze when play fighting to show that they're playing around and they don't actually want to hurt you. Whenever your dog leans on you and puts their whole weight.
Bond, have you ever killed somebody? Okay, thank you. Do you go by Bob or Bobbert? Okay, thank you. Caesar, are you a vicious pit bull? Okay, thank you. Coda, what are you gonna be for Halloween? Okay, thank you. Mufasa, is Lion King your favorite movie? Okay, thank you. Charlie, how does it feel to have different colored eyes? Okay, thank you.
It started when we were younger, you were mine.
Snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake. I'm so slithery and sneaky because I'm a snake.
There you go. I know you're so hungry. Oh my gosh, you're so hungry all the time. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Oh my god, you suck that down. Okay, let go, let go, let go, let go. That's the face everybody loves.
Hey, we got the accent challenge. Start with me today. From 1 to 10. Bing. Alright, number 1, we got Beanie. Number 2, we got Heat. Number 3, we got It. Number 4, we got Beat. Number 5, we got Number 6, we got cheat.
Oh, thank you. Okay, wait.
Go get it.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
You ever notice how you have that one friend that has no sense of personal boundaries? No matter what they do, they just cannot stay away from you?
Gary! No fires in the house! What are you doing? Why are you cooking marshmallows? Get out of the toilet!
Alright, so this is the Accent Kitty Cat Challenge Part 1. If y'all want a Part 2, yeah. So first up, number 1 right here, we got hey yo, what's up? Number 2, you know, just hey man.
Everybody thinks that she's so big. Guys, she's the tiniest thing. She is the tiniest thing. Watch. Let me get this water bottle right here. This is her next door water bottle. Look at her. Look how tiny she is. Hi, Emoja.
Hey there, I heard you were feeling kind of sad, so I wanted to bring something that would help you feel a little better. Wait. Hey, look.
And now all the birds are getting shot.
Hi. Hi. You get him?
Yeah.
Whenever you can't find the cat, all you have to do... What are you...
I don't know if this is all cats, but let me know. So, Richard looks like a normal, size cat. But then, when I shake him out, and he loosens up a little bit, look how long he is. He's like a foot long. Look how long he is.
Gilbert! Gilbert! Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? No, I don't be owl. Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? I'm a pig. How are you today? Hello, how are you?
What you doing? Wanna go down? Can you go downstairs?
Hey! No me quiero bañar, no me quiero bañar. A picochi no me voy a quedar. No me gusta el champú, no me gustaba. A ti cochino me siento mejor.
Do it again. Front flip. Guys, dude? What the? Dude, you're stuck. Dude, stop doing that.
What the matter?
Good boy. Gerald, come in, puppy. Jabber.
Milo, come here, please. I have a question, something to talk to you about. So, I found something. Hey, look at me, I'm talking to you. Thank you. Did you destroy our last roll of toilet paper?
Stop touching her, dude. She's gonna smack you. She's gonna keep smacking you.
Double tap to give the dog the cookie. Did you do it? Because he hasn't had the cookie yet. Oh, you've done it. Okay, he gets the cookie.
I present to you something legendary. It's so cute. Like, oh my god. Like, oh, hi.
Excuse me, sir. Have you seen my fox? Anybody home? Have you seen my fox? Excuse me, sir. I know you're in there. Don't hide from me. Have you seen my fox? Yeah, you.
There he is! Get that baby, where's he going? Don't let him go back in the couch!
You silly pig. I love you so
Oh, here he comes, look out! Here comes his best friend for the tackle!
Happy fox. Don't drool on him. That's gross. He's gonna be a slobbery fox. Oh, where'd he go? Bean, which way did he go? No cares. Okay. Oh, I found him. Hi, baby.
Dee.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning. You're very chubby.
What are you doing? Are you trying to burn the house down?
Just to finish and touch the smoothie. Just to finish and touch. Finish and touch the smoothie. Time to try the smoothie. Very good.